Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my last cards that I got from Christmas from my kids. And it's called Moonology Oracle Cards, a 44 card deck and guidebook by Yasmin Boland, artwork by Nix Rowan. So I just got to take the wrapping off, and I made a little slit on it, but I wouldn't have to take 5 hours doing that this time. So yeah, because last time it was, oh my God, it took me forever. All right, we'll put that there. And it's a hard box. Let's see. It says, the energy of the moon has a formidable effect on our everyday life. Use these gorgeously illustrated oracle cards to tap into her ancient wisdom for healing, guidance, and protection, and learn how to work with her magical energy during each lunation. The accompanying guidebook reveals how to interpret the cards and work with them to create, plan, and predict your life. Whenever you need to make an important decision, just pick a card and let the moon guide you. So yeah, this is the back. All right, let's see what they look like. This is the end. This is the inside of the box. Let the moon be your guide. How pretty that is. Sorry about the glare. Let's see if we can fix that a little bit. There we go. And here's the book. Let's see. The book is about 119 pages long. And let's see. The contents is introduction, what these cards are for, blessing the cards, the wisdom of the moon, the phases of the moon, working with the cards, how the deck is structured, interpreting the cards, the elements, working with the card spreads. So they have some spreads over here. Moon phase cards has the new moon, waxing crescent moon, first quarter moon, gibbous moon, full moon, disseminating moon, third quarter moon, balsamic moon. And it has the new moon cards. The new moon in Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. And it has the full moon cards, which tells you about all the signs from Aries to Pisces, and special moon cards. New moon eclipse, full moon eclipse, waxing moon. And Wani moon, void of course moon, cardinal moon, fixed moon, mutable moon, super moon, blue moon, south node, north node. And it just tells you about the artist and the author. So yeah. So that looks fun. Alrighty. Let's get into the cards now. All right. This just has this, which is cool. So yeah. And it just looks like that. All right. And the backs look like this. And it's like a matte finish too. And it's good quality. Bendable. All right, now let's look at the cards. This one is the North Node. South Node. This is going to be so much fun. Blue Moon. Super Moon. Let's see if I can grab a hold of it. Mutable Moon. It also has like a little saying over here for all of them. Fixed Moon. It says hold your vision. They're kind of sticking together right now because they're new. This one's Cardinal Moon. Void of Course Moon. Waning Moon. Waxing Moon. Full Moon Eclipse. Pretty. New Moon Eclipse. Full Moon in Pisces. That's my daughter's sign. Full Moon in Aquarius. This is my sign. Full Moon in Capricorn, my son's. Full Moon in Sagittarius, my boyfriend's. Full Moon in Scorpio, no one I know. Full Moon in Libra. Full Moon in Virgo. My sister's a Virgo. Full Moon in Leo. Full Moon in Cancer. Full Moon in Gemini. My grandmother used to be a Gemini. Full Moon in Taurus. Full Moon in Aries. They're sticking. Sticky. New Moon in Pisces. Oh, we already did Pisces. Well, that's my daughter's. Oh, it's the new moon. I got it now. Okay. I got it now. They're new moons. New moon in Sagittarius. New moon in Scorpio. New moon in Libra. New moon in Virgo. New moon in Leo. Oh, they're sticking. Why are they sticking? Stop sticking. New moon in Cancer. New moon in Gemini. New moon in Taurus. Gotta love it when they stick together. New moon in Aries. Balsamic moon. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Third quarter moon. Disseminating moon. Full moon. GBS moon. It's a weird name. First quarter moon. Waxing crescent moon. This one's cute. Really bright. And last but not least, new moon. All right, let's shuffle them up and see if we can pick a card and see how the book reads. This is going to be fun. Learning. I always shuffle them this way. They're kind of sticky though. So yeah. Let's see if I can. Riffle shuffle them. Not really. They're really thick cards, that's why. So yeah. One more riffle shuffle, and then we will pick a card. See what this deck has to say to us. What is this deck about? All right. We got New Moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. So we will look that one up and see how the book reads. All right. That one is New Moon. And New Moon, Sagittarius. Is it Sagittarius? Yeah. 58. Let's see what it has to say. All right, luck is on your side. New Moon in Sagittarius. Whatever's coming your way, it looks set to put a smile on your face. The New Moon in Sagittarius can mark the restart of fun after a period of feeling low. The energy is adventurous and even willing to take a few risks. But be careful, you don't bet the farm on something here. As the Wheel of Fortune is still spinning, this card is about exploring life metaphorically by exchanging big ideas with others or just thinking about your own philosophies. Perhaps it's time to change your mind about something important. It can also signal that a trip away is coming up. If that's something you're working to achieve, but the overall message of this card is that whatever happens next will be some sort of gift. Even if that simply means widening your world view. Attune to the moon, count your blessings, literally, write them down or say them out loud. Additional meanings for this card. You need to laugh more. This is a wonderful time to start a course of study or teaching. Don't be narrow-minded. Start a week of gratitude practice. E.g. via Facebook, a journal, or blog. That sounds like fun. And the teaching. Sagittarius is a sign of fun, travel, exploration, and the great cosmic quest. It's a sign of big ideas. Its energy is expansive, upbeat, lucky, and divine. The new moon in the Sagittarius exudes all this, as does this card whenever you draw it. Nothing is set in stone with the Sagittarius, and an optimistic energy could attract all manner of good things if you tap into the energy by expecting the best. And that's it for that card. So this one's a very lucky card, so it's probably going to be a very lucky deck. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, there's a couple of spreads in here. You have, let's see, Moonology Oracle cards. This is, let's see, 3-card spread, full moon 3-card spread, waxing moon 4-card spread, waning moon 4-card spread, and so far that's it. Ooh, hold on, I got something over here. But yeah, sorry about that little message just popped up. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later, and I hope you guys enjoy this. And I'm looking forward to these new cards, this new deck and everything. So I'm going to have fun. All right, talk to you later. Please subscribe, be part of the family, and stay safe and have fun. Bye, guys. Mwah. See you later.